Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to my outdoor adventure review channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the UCO Flatpack portable grill and fire pit. As you can see from the unboxing of this and setup, it was fast. The box says it's a 30-second setup, but it was more like a 3-second setup. Never in my experience of camping between two of my channels has any product done better than what their estimated setup time said. So let's set this up again. I got the large. It is 20 by 16. My previous fire pit was destroyed by me.
It's a pretty big fire. Okay, guys.
Their instructions were not that helpful. It just shows how to open it up. And I bought this a while ago. So if I remember correctly, this piece goes in the bottom. You can put coals on this. And then I have the grill so that you can cook on it. AC, can you put that in here? Here, bring it. Get it. Come on, get it. Ace, get the wood. Get it. Bring it. No, bring it. Good. Here. Thank you. Like that. Okay. Anyway, and then this thing. Oh, okay. Ace is my rescue dog. Okay, so you must connect these together. Somehow. Oh, I wonder if they go like this. Like zero instructions, okay? Luckily, I am highly intelligent. Oh, so that's cool. This one seems bigger. No, they're the same size. So you can have it cover the entire grill, fire pit, or just use one and feed your fire. I like that. This thing is gonna come out, but luckily it's just resting there. Before I lose all of my wood logs, we're gonna get this fire started and cook some sausages. Okay, so you cannot grab this anymore. No! Go on. No, Ace, no. Go on. It's hot. Goodness gracious. He's 4 years old, but he's like a puppy. Our sausages are just about complete, probably are complete. So what I've noticed about this is that the grill has, the fire pit has bowed out. this is also, the sides have bowed out here, so the little grate on the bottom is not fixed into the holes on the sides. I've got some leakage here underneath. I think it's from my wax fire starter. And one thing is that I do not know what the weight capacity of this is. My last fire pit that I destroyed, it did talk about a weight capacity. And so the specifications for this grill are that it is 9.5 pounds, 20 by 16. There's some conflicting information on UCO, I do not know how to pronounce it, UCO site, in that this is a large, but in their description it says that it's an extra large, so I don't know. It says it serves up to 8 people, and it has a total grilling surface of 320 square inches. It is made of a stainless steel that is corrosion and rust resistant. And so far, I do like it. I'm not sure about the leaking. Maybe it needs some kind of a mesh pad, or maybe I shouldn't have used a wax fire starter. I know that in my previous fire pit, it's the only other fire pit I've had, so that's why I reference it. Well, in terms of a fire pit this size, it talked about things that you should not burn in it, so maybe a wax fire starter is something that you shouldn't burn in this. I wish it would have a weight capacity because I can really load things up, and it's probably bowing out from the heat and maybe the amount of wood I put in it, but mostly the heat. I do like that it has the 2 separate grill pieces. In one of their pictures on their site, it showed the other grate covered in tinfoil, so that could be an option for cooking vegetables or something. And I think that this is a really good size for those times when you're at a campsite that the campfire looks pretty questionable. So now we're going to cut into these and give them a try. They're just some sausages I got from Walmart. AC, please. Okay. I did not bring proper utensils, so this is going to be interesting. I do not want Ace to just come in. Ooh, that cuts so nicely. So nicely. I cooked one for myself and for Ace. Is it even? It's warm. It's fancy. I wonder if it's like almost a little too fancy for my taste. You want to try? It's not even very hot. Here. Sit. AC. Gentle. Gentle. Sit. You have to be so gentle. Gentle. AC, sit. Gentle. He's a good boy. Are you my good boy? Do you like that? Sit. Sit. Shake. Very nice, gentleman. Very nice. So let me know what you thought of this fire pit and grill. If you have one of these, I will continue to use it on my camping trips. So if you'd like to see more of that, check out my vlog channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Packing everything up, and this warped, so it was no wonder it couldn't stay in the sides. And this is still too warm to put in the car. So I like the patina that is happening. I think that looks nice. I do not like that this does not cool down faster. The other fire pit that I have, you can watch the video of, it cools down extremely quickly. It's getting there, but I don't want to put it in the bag just yet. And I'm probably going to keep this plastic bag because everything is gets filthy. And this is not wax lined that I can tell. It's just regular canvas and really kind of flimsy. Not very thick. So, not my favorite stove. I would purchase the other stove if you're looking for a fire pit, because on their website this costs $90. For me, I think it cost $70 when I bought it months ago on Amazon, and you can get the other stove for that price. Hey, you need to bring that wood back. Casey, go get that wood. Go get the wood, Ace. Find it. Go get the wood. Bring it back. What do you think you're doing? Why are you putting it over there? Thank you.